Looking for money? Well, I have got you. For over 20 years, I have been teaching programs on down payment assistance and grant programs. And there are 3 that I want to make you aware of that are the hottest, best, wonderful money that you can get to help you buy a house. Number 1 is the Community Advantage Program. This program is 0 down. That means no money down and no mortgage insurance. And if you're not familiar, look it up, but mortgage insurance can increase your monthly payment by about $150 or so. So this is a great way to get into a home with no money. Guess what? You can also package this with a grant program. Reach out to me, because what I would love to do for you is to give you lots of tools in your toolbox, different programs that you can use that would go for your home search and what you're looking for. So I can't wait to connect with you and help you get the money you need to buy your home.